Hello, my name is Rodrigo de Villa, and this period I was able to learn about a company called Onilog, and in this model I learned about a lot of things about strategy and how to apply strategy for Onilog. But first, Onilog is a company that helps other businesses with their selling, with nearshoring, with soft landing, with many things and logistics for them to be able to sell here or to sell to the United States via nearshoring. So Onilog is a company made by Grupo Jauregui, and they have a lot of warehouses, and they use those warehouses instead of just renting them. They try to help other customers, other people, like sell their products with this. And with the SWOT analysis, we see that Onilog has a lot of strengths. Like they are focused, they are niched in nearshoring. So right now, all the world is looking at Mexico so they can produce their products or sell them in another place. Also, they're focused on being very careful with the law and being very conservative with green energies and looking or taking care of their own customers. Also, analyzing with the porter, they have a lot of competition because there's a lot of warehouse, there's a lot of people trying to do this, but there's a high barrier of entry because you need a lot of things to enter. You need warehouses, you need legal things, and you need everything. So that's why Onilog is positioned in a very good place. So the Jauregui brothers are the ones who are in charge. If we see the value chain, those are the ones that oversee everything, and they have their team, they have their financial operations, they have people working in the warehouse, and they have many things. So it's also important to see for Onilog to mitigate their weaknesses, and they should be focusing more on, if we see the PCG metrics, they should manage their question marks that they have because they're low share, high growth services, but they should start looking to work with companies that are stars, that are high growth and high share. And I believe with nearshoring it does exist. Now, my recommendations for Onilog are these ones. First, they need to make a market analysis. They don't know the price of the competition, they don't know about other things, they haven't done a market analysis, and they haven't interviewed or questioned their customers to see how good is the value that they give, what is the perceived value of a customer when they are buying from Onilog. This is very important because if they don't know, how are they going to be able to improve? So by doing this market analysis, they can improve very quickly, and I say that they can apply this for 1 month, like they can do questions for 1 week and then distribute those questions for the next 2 weeks and analyze for the 4th week the results. Now they should start using new technologies, especially AI, because with this of warehouses and storage, you need a lot of coding and software to keep everything managed. And if they can utilize this new opportunity of AI, it will be very beneficial for Onilog. So it can be another value given to the customers. So they're going to innovate, so they don't have as much competition, or the competition doesn't reach them. Another thing they need to have is a risk management program. They need to train their employees for risk management for things that can happen, because they cannot be like the Jauregui brothers cannot be involved in every situation that occurs. So it's imperative for Onilog to teach their employees how to operate in case there is a risk or there's an emergency. And finally, because of the new changes, because it's a threat from the SWOT analysis, it's a threat for businesses that workers are they're going to need less hours. So that means that they have to adapt very quickly, and what Onilog should do is to have more flexible schedules, to have staggered shifts, so they can optimize the work. But overall, I learned a lot of things about Onilog, about strategy, about how to be innovative, how to look at blue oceans, and how to always keep persisting, keep innovating in business, because there's a lot of competition and wants to take advantage of the market share that you have, and you have to be very careful with all of these things. Thank you.